Hi, in this video we'll go ahead and create incident roles. Incident roles are roles created within a specific team to assign a specific set of tasks to the users, and this comes in handy during high urgency and high critical kind of incidents where certain set of users are needed to perform certain sets of actions, let's say certain task or a playbook kind of a scenario that helps to mitigate the incident real quick, right? In this video, we'll cover how to create incident roles as well as how to go ahead and add users to the specific roles. Right? So we navigate to the teams. Let's say a short team in this. You see an option of incident roles. Here you can see there are two roles that are already created. So the incident commander is the role who basically looks in after the life cycle of an incident end to end. As soon as an incident is assigned, the incident commander assigns specific roles, the different roles that we'll create, to specific users who are supposed to look after the tasks that are assigned to the specific roles. Right. So let's go ahead and create a comms lead, and we give it a rank 3. And as you can see in this specific team, we have 3 incident roles. There's incident commander, Azure admin, and comms lead. So let's just quickly go ahead and create an incident. So the Azure team. So as soon as an incident is triggered, let's just go ahead and acknowledge this. And incident commander, they will be the incident commander, assigns the role to themselves, and they can assign the other incidents, the other roles to other users within the incident. So these users will be notified that there is an incident going on, and a certain task can be assigned to it. Assign it to Azure admin. So once a task is assigned to a specific role, the user who is assigned the role will be notified about their task, and they would be able to see this task. Since I am the commander, so now this task is assigned to the incident commander, which is me in this case. So I can see it in my task that I have been assigned a task for an active incident. I can just say that this is done. And Leonard can see the task that he is assigned to perform. So, yep, this is how incident roles come in handy during a war room kind of a scenario where certain set of users need to work individually to resolve certain components of the incident that has been triggered. And as soon as everything is done, they can just go ahead and resolve it. And yep, that's done.